guys, this is Mrs. RT, the art teacher from the Angelo School. Today we're going to be making winter silhouettes. So for this project, you're going to want a piece of paper, a pencil, a black crayon. You can also use black marker for the silhouettes, but they might dry out the marker a little bit. So I usually like to use a black crayon, and then whatever other crayons you will want for the background color. So the silhouette, you might remember back in October, we made a Halloween or a fall silhouette. These are some of the examples that we used. And we made our full picture, outlined it first in pencil, then colored it in solid black. And then the background, we blended some colors together for the background sky. Okay, so what you're going to do today is you're going to draw your silhouette independently. There are a bunch of examples on the Schoology assignment page. But you can also think of any pictures you want. They have to be school appropriate and they have to be some kind of winter scene. So you can see a few examples here. I have two people making a snowman with some snowflakes in the back. And that I colored in all solid black. And then I started the background. This one I did a winter bird on a winter tree. And this one I have the house with the smoke coming out of the chimney for a fireplace and some winter trees with the ground. So the first step is to choose what you want for your winter scene. You're going to draw that out in pencil and then fill it in solid with black crayon. And then for the background, what I'm going to show you is how I blended in these colors. And you can choose any colors you want for the background. If you wanted it to be more of like purple and blue, or maybe more of like a sunset colors, you can choose. So for this one, I chose indigo, blue, and then I'm going to add blue-green on the bottom. So to start, I colored in solid with indigo. Then I got a little bit lighter and overlapped the blue and the indigo together. And then I added light here with blue. So I'm going to continue that one for you now. You can color it lightly with blue. And then that's the part I'm going to overlap. So this bottom will be blue-green, and then I'll overlap here to help blend the colors together. And you can color right over the silhouettes that you already made. Overlap some of the blue and blue-green together, or whichever two colors you're using. And you want to fill the whole page so that there's no white space left. I know usually a lot of these things in a winter scene would be white for the snow, but for this project with the silhouette, we want to fill it all in. So even though this is colored in black for the silhouette, you can still color it for the snowman. Okay, so that's how I did the background, blending in 3 colors. And you can even overlap here a little bit more of the blue and green to blend it together a little bit more. And you can see, since we colored in the silhouettes with solid black, you can go right over it to fill in all of that white space. And then when you overlap the 2 colors, it really blends in from the indigo to blue-green. So now you can take some time, choose what you want for your winter scene. Remember, step number 1 is to draw your winter scene with pencil. When you're happy with what the winter scene looks like, you can color it in with solid black. I recommend, again, using a crayon so that you don't dry out your black markers. Fill it all in with solid black and then choose. I usually do 3 or 4 colors for the background, blending them in together. So that is our winter silhouette project. Take some time now, get creative with your winter scenes. And when you're done, you can post a picture either to the assignment page for winter silhouettes or to our class portfolio page. I'll see you guys next time.